Hi guys, good morning. So, yung new video kong papakita or demo is how to block specific website through Fortinet FortiGate Firewall. Ayan. So, at first, we'll go to our GUI and log in your credentials. So, once nakapasok, we will go on to security profiles. Dito sa security profiles, makikita naman natin na we have antivirus, web filter, video filter, DNS filter, application control, intrusion preventions, etc., etc., etc. So this time, we will block a specific website like Facebook or YouTube. Pero usually, kailangan talaga meron ka ditong license. Okay? Some techniques can create or can block a specific website without a license. So this time, gagawa tayo ng rules in which pwede natin ma-block yung specific website. Alright? So, click web filter. Dito sa default, makikita rin nyo, may naka-create na ako na isa. With display Facebook block. Pwede natin siyang i-edit. Makikita rin nyo, pwede siyang edit, but I suggest na mag-create kayo ng bago. Okay? So, from that, create new, click create new, and then let's say block YouTube. So, yan. So, itong FortiGuard category based filter, enable natin. Kasi ito yung mga naka-added na from the firewall itself at pwede nilang ninyong gawin is i-block. Okay? Parang general to. Okay? Kung makikita nyo, we have local categories, potentially liable, katulad ito, drug abuse, right-click, block. Lahat ng mga possible na mga website na pumapatak sa drug abuse category, bablock niya. Hacking, block. Illegal or unethical, block. Discrimination, proxy, lahat nandito naman, terrorism. Adult mature, we have may mga pornography, yan, warning, let's say warning, block na natin. Ayan, pwede yun. Dating, block. Okay? So, dito, para siyang naka-program na. Okay? We have here security risk, malicious website. Yan, automatic na naka-block na siya. Advertising. Kung may mga advertisements na nakikita kayo dito sa may side, usually pagka nag-open kayo ng, let's say na Facebook, may makikita kayo dito or YouTube, may makikita kayo dito ng advertisements. So, to be able na ma-block yun, pwede nyo itong gawin. Okay? And then, we have here, sa mga like say na mga social media, sa general interest personal yan, papasok din social media. Social networking, yan. So, right click mo lang ito, block. Okay? Kung makikita natin, description, a social networking site is a platform to build social networks or social relations among people who share similar interests, activities, and background. Parang yun nga, let's say na Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, lahat kasama na to. Ito yung mga examples niya. So, kung ito ang inyong i-block, general na yon. Lahat ng social media, let's say ito, social media. Social networking sites. So, ito yon. Ito yung mga social networking sites na pwede mong i-block. Yan o, diba? You have here, yan, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, Tumblr, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, Snapchat. Yan. So, yung mga usual na mga social networking, pagka in-enable mo to, or blinak mo, out na yon. Block na siya totally. So, this time, ang gagawin naman natin is static URL filter. It means, may specific kang website na kailangan mong i-block. From that, click mo lang tong URL filter and then create new. This time, let's say ito, YouTube. And then, magkakaroon tayo ng type, pwede ng wildcard. Wildcard. Pwede natin ganito, asterisk, youtube.com. Any related. Ibig sabihin, any related na subdomain, na YouTube, mabablock niya. Okay? Actions is block, and then status is enabled. Ayan. Ayun. Okay? And then, pwede rin naman dito yung content filter. Yan. Isa pa rin ito sa way to block specific websites. So, from that pattern, regular expression ang gagawin natin kasi may nakagawa tayo ng wildcard. So, we have YouTube. Yan. Western, and then block enabled. Ayan. That's it. Okay, and then click OK. So, once na nakagawa tayo, let's say itong ginawa ko kanina, Facebook. Edit natin. Kung makikita ninyo, ginawa ko na siya. Meron na tayong ginawang regular content filter, expression, syempre. Disable ko yung FortiGuard. And then, block Facebook. Yan. So, okay, click okay mo lang. So, from that, na nagawa na natin yung security profiles, we'll go on to policy and objects, and then firewall policy. So, let's say, ito yung ginawa natin, di ba? Na mga dati na mga, na mga under ng social media, ito yung mga specific na mga IP address na pwedeng hindi makagamit ng Facebook or YouTube. So, double click natin yun. And then, from here, yan na yung social media. Kung makikita nyo yung web filter niya is, ariyan nga, Facebook block. Click mo lang yan, arrow down, then block YouTube. Pwede yan. Okay? And then, don't forget to click the SSL inspection. Gagawin natin deep inspection. Kasi, lahat ng DNS address niya or DNS related is ang gagawin ni firewall ay what we call inspect niya lahat tsaka ilaliman niya na pwede niyang i-scan or i-analyze to be able na safe ang inyong premises pagdating sa mga social media na i-block mo specific from web filter. Ayan. Na create mo from the web filter. Okay? So, click mo lang okay. But this demo is, syempre, ito is unlicensed. Refresh mo lang. And then, pag nag-try ka sa let's say na YouTube or Facebook at nakakapasok pa rin, ginawa mo na siya, i-try mo munang i-clear yung cache niya. Okay? Lahat ng iyon sa browser mo, i-clear mo and then restart mo ulit, then pasok mo ulit kung makakapasok ulit yung iyong ginawa or create na web filter. Alright, so yun lang guys. So next time, next demo ko naman sa inyo ay magkikreate naman tayo ng ng dynamic DNS when it comes to FortiGate Fortinet firewall. Alright, thank you.